Hey, we are about to release Group Play, the coolest feature ever, and we are opening it up right now for mass beta testing. If you want to help us, you're in for a treat. Let me show you what this does. So my phone here is controlling every one of these computers in the entire room. When I hit the play button, it will start every computer. And these are not connected with any wires. It's all wireless.
Order for set, go.
Check it out. Very nice. Check it out. They're all perfectly synced. And I can actually control stop. I can even highlight. If I highlight this, you'll see what happens behind it. So it's controlling everything. I can even control the mixer. Check this out. So if the mixer is right there and I want the count off to be softer, I can do that. It turns that down on every computer. I can turn the virtual piano or the metronome up, turns the metronome up. All kinds of really cool things. So one other thing that it does is it gives you scores. Check this out. So now everybody will see what scores each person has in the class if you want to set that setting. And it also works with iPads, computers, phones. Even on most phones you can use Piano Marble. So if you want a beta test, let me show you how to do it. Come over here. It's on this little thing right here, this little group people. If you click on this, you'll just put in a code. It's super simple. Or you can ask for someone else's code. So if I want to know what the code is here and I want to join this session, the teacher can just say it's TF45 and I would just add that, TF45. When I hit join, you'll now see that this person has now joined the group. So that's super easy. If you don't see this, we're actually hiding it for now until we release it to the public. You can go get it under the menu, preferences, group play, and then just turn this green, and then you will see that little icon. So have lots of fun testing this. If you have any feedback, please send it to contact us at pianomarble.com. As soon as it passes the mass beta testing, we are going to release it to the world.